How to download Microsoft List desktop app. In this video, I'll show you how to download Microsoft List desktop app. So to get started, go ahead and open list.live.com to access Microsoft List. Sign in to your Microsoft account, and then once you're signed into your account, you'll find this three dot icon at the top right of your screen. Click on that and then click on Cast, Save, and Share, and then click on Install Microsoft List. So there is a notification that will pop on this page. So you need to confirm this by clicking on install, and then once it is installed, you'll be able to find this Microsoft List web page as an app on your device. So you'll be able to find a shortcut of this app on your home page. And that is how you can basically download Microsoft List desktop app. If this was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.